Welcome to our Grooming Showdown. Today, we are comparing two top contenders in the world of hair clippers, the Novah Professional Hair Clippers and the TPOB Play Barber Clippers. Both products promise exceptional performance and features tailored for barbers and home users alike. Let's explore what each of these clippers has to offer and see which one comes out on top in our comparison. When it comes to pricing, the Novah Professional Hair Clippers are priced at $99, making them a more affordable option for those looking to invest in a quality grooming tool. On the other hand, the TPOB Play Barber Clippers come in at $199, positioning them as a premium choice for users who may prioritize advanced features and performance. In this segment, we will discuss whether the price difference is justified based on the features offered by each product. Performance is crucial when it comes to hair clippers. The Novah Professional Hair Clippers are designed for reliability, ensuring a smooth cutting experience for various hair types. In contrast, the TPOB Play Barber Clippers boast a powerful 7,500 RPM motor, which promises faster and more efficient cutting. In this section, we will analyze how these performance metrics translate into real-world usage and user satisfaction. Design plays a significant role in user experience. The Novah Professional Hair Clippers feature a sleek and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in hand, making it easy to maneuver during haircuts. Meanwhile, the TPOB Play Barber Clippers offer a stylish look with rubber grips that enhance comfort and control. In this part of the video, we will delve into how the design of each product impacts usability and overall grooming experience. In conclusion, both the Novah Professional Hair Clippers and the TPOB Play Barber Clippers have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The Novah offers affordability and reliable performance, while the TPOB delivers high power and stylish design. Ultimately, the choice depends on your personal grooming needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product reviews.